In the following circuit, the resultant capacitance between A and B is 1 microfarad, then the value of C is. So here we can draw the simple circuit diagram. So what I can observe that this 6 and this 12 are in series. So what is the equivalent of those? So let's say this is C dash, which will give 6 into 12 upon 6 plus 12, C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. This is the formula. So 6 into 12 by 18, so this will be 3 and this will be 4 microfarad. Now this 6 and 12 combination is 4 and 4 will be in parallel. So this 4 and 4 will give you 4 plus 4, 8 microfarad, right? Which we can say C double dash. And likewise we can also see this 2 and this 2 are in parallel. So which will give you 2 plus 2, let's say C triple dash will be 2 plus 2, 4 microfarad. So now we can actually make a simpler circuit diagram which will consist of one capacitor of capacitance C. This is 1 microfarad. Combination of all this will give you 8 microfarad. So 8 will be like this, 8 microfarad, and this line doesn't have any capacitor, but yes, we have one here, 8 microfarad, and yes, this 2 and 2 which we just calculated 4, so this 4 will also be there, 4 microfarad. So this will be the final circuit diagram. Now we can observe this 8 and this 4 are in series, and this 1 and this 8 are also in series only, correct? So we can calculate the equivalent of 1 and 8. So equivalent of 1 and 8 microfarad in series, so we get C1 dash is equal to 1 into 8 divided by 1 plus 8, which will give you 8 by 9 microfarad, and 8 and 4 are in series, right? So we will get C2 dash, which will be 8 into 4 upon 8 plus 4, which will give 8 by 12. So this will give you 8 by 3 microfarad. Clear? Now we get another circuit diagram where we have so this is point B, this was point A, so this is point A. So C, we can remove this, so we get 1 and 8, this will be 8 by 3 microfarad, and yes, this line we can keep like this, right? So this is point B, and this will be how much? 8 by 9 microfarad, correct? And these two now are in parallel, right? So in parallel, so 8 by 3 microfarad and 8 by 9 microfarad in parallel. So which will give C net, which will give you 8 by 3 plus 8 by 9. So this will be 9. This will become 3 into 3, 3, so 24 plus 8, so 32 by 9 microfarad, right? Finally, we got the simplest circuit diagram which will be having C and 32 by 9 microfarad between A and B, and now these two are in series, right? So the net circuit diagram will be C equivalent will be C into 32 by 9 divided by C plus 32 by 9, and the final value of C equivalent, which is provided in the question, 1, right? Now our task is to solve this final expression which will give you the final answer, right? So let us solve. So this will be 32 by 9 into C plus 32 by 9. So this C we can take this side. So 32 by 9 minus 1, 32 by 9. So this will be 23 by 9, which will be 32 by 9. So this will be cancelled out. C will be 32 by 23 microfarad, right? So this should be your final value. Okay, so which option is correct? So option number 4 should be the right answer, 32 by 23 microfarads.